Welcome to lesson 15. We are making a decorative whole grain bread today. 300 grams of water plus 3 teaspoons of active dry yeast. And now I'm adding in my flour. All the ingredients, measurements, and instructions will be down in the description box. I am using 250 grams of whole grain flour and 250 grams of all-purpose flour, all mixed together. Now while you're mixing this, it's going to feel like you need more liquid. Do not add any more liquid. You have enough. Once you stir with your spoon, you're going to switch over to your hands to finish mixing. And I'm adding in 30 grams of olive oil, and we're going to continue mixing. As you can see, once we switched over to our hands, we feel the dough more, and it's very soft dough. And so this is why I said do not add extra water. When our dough is all mixed in, we're going to cover and let it sit on the counter for an hour. This is a no-knead bread. Here we are after an hour, and we're going to prepare our rising pan. So you need a cloth and a bowl, and then you're going to line the bowl with the cloth. We do not want our bread rising flat. We want it rising, going up. Sprinkle a generous amount of rice flour inside your dishcloth. If you don't have rice flour, use regular flour, that's fine. We're doing that so the dough does not stick to the dishcloth. Okay, now we're going to put that aside, and now we're going to shape our dough. Put some olive oil on your hands, and let's shape this dough. I'm going to bring it in from the outside into the center to strengthen it a little bit, because remember, it's a no-knead bread. Since it's a round loaf, we're just going to make it into a ball, and that will be it. This is one way to shape it. I find this to be the easiest way for me when I'm shaping a round loaf. You can also flip it over and shape it this way. Spread it out a little bit, and then bring in the dough from the edge and flip each side over and roll. Once you roll, then you gather and push it towards you, and it will automatically be round for you. And cut off a little piece of the dough to make a rope for our decoration. We're going to take our bread and flip it upside down into our bowl. And of course, we're going to do our pinching. Pinch, 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 so your seams do not open up during the baking. And we're going to cover it either this way or this way. and put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. Now, you don't have to do this for 3 hours. If you're in a hurry, just let it rise in your baking pan for an hour and bake it. But with this direction, we are trying to make a decorative loaf. So that's why we put it in the refrigerator to slow rise for 3 hours. All right, let's roll out our rope. Grab a piece of foil and lay the rope on top of the foil. And we're going to egg wash our rope on both sides and sprinkle with sesame seeds and put it aside. You grab our bread from the refrigerator. Look at that beautiful rise. So you're gonna flip the dough onto the parchment paper. Then we are going to attach our rope and we're going to secure it with some toothpicks. First, we egg wash our dough. Time to attach our rope. It's going to take patience here. It's a little tricky, but you can do it. Just get the first end toothpicked, and then the rest is easy. Just hold it in place, stick a couple of toothpicks there, and go around sticking toothpicks. Now don't forget to take these toothpicks out after you bake. Do not leave them in there. Pull them out. And we're going to score this. We start from the center and turn it and cut it down. Center, all the way curved a little bit and down. From the center, curved and down. We're going to do this till the entire loaf has been scored. Now we egg wash the top, and then we're going to sprinkle some everything bagel seasoning on top. We're going to bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Ooh, wish you could smell this. It smells wonderful. Lift your bake with a parchment paper and put it in the baking pan. Ready to bake. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Just beautiful. Now, this is also another way to present your bread if you are gifting it. All right, my friends, there is lesson 15. Hope you tried this recipe in your kitchen. And if you've been following us on Bread Making 101, we hope you've been making the breads along with us. You can find all the lessons down in the description. There's a link to it down in the description. Have fun baking, customize it to your own. Be creative with it. Brush in a little bit of olive oil on top to give it that sheen. Until next time, bon appetit!